Manufacturing companies face a daunting challenge every day, managing an avalanche of invoices for products supplied to dealers and wholesalers. From disorganized piles of papers to errors in manual data entry, the process is slow, inefficient, and prone to mistakes. Invoice chaos equals delays, errors, and financial bottlenecks. Errors in invoice processing lead to delayed payments, strained relationships with dealers, and compliance issues. The manufacturing industry's high invoice volume only magnifies the problem. Errors cost you time, money, and trust. Introducing AGIBrains, an AI-powered solution by AGIBrains Pvt Ltd, designed to revolutionize invoice processing for manufacturing companies. Powered by advanced AI technology, AGIBrains automatically processes unorganized invoice data, extracting, organizing, and verifying key details with unmatched speed and accuracy. With AGIBrains, manufacturing companies can reduce manual data entry and human errors, speed up payment cycles, improving cash flow, gain real-time visibility into financial records. Ready to say goodbye to invoice chaos? Automate your process with AGIBrains and take control of your financial records today.